Yo, I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking too good for these guys right here. I know a lot of people are probably wondering, when is the best time to get them? What's going on with the sneakers? Why were they so limited? And you guys already know, man, Nike this year has been doing things totally different, but I was lucky enough to get a crazy dub on these guys. So I said, you know what? We gotta come on YouTube, chop it up, break these things down. I already checked them out, and I still cannot believe I hit on these joints right here. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and chop it up about the Kobe Whatthas, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning back in to another video, man. I've been going for about 10 days. I say, you know what? If I do hit on the Kobe's, I will come back on YouTube. There wasn't really much popping off. And since we got the information about the Jordan Reserve that we were supposed to get, and we still have not gotten it yet. And it's like any day now we could get it. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna sit back and relax for a couple days, you know what I'm saying? Get my mind right, kind of focus on some other things. And now today, I said if I hit on these on this lovely Sunday, you know what I'm saying? One of the dopest moments I witnessed from my own personal eyes, Kobe dropping 60 points in his last game in his NBA career. I said, you know what? We gotta come back on here and chop it up, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure you guys run them likes up. You guys already know, man, YouTube is driven by likes. It's driven by interaction. Go ahead and do your favor for your boy. Leave a huge like and go ahead and comment down below what you guys have been copping these last couple days. Told y'all, man, this month and a little bit of last month was the perfect time to reach back, get some of the Grail sneakers. And yeah, if you was lucky enough to get these, only 32,000 pairs on sneakers out this morning. Not too sure about the total stock around, but I did see a lot of people in the mall today walking out with some Kobe's, man. So let's go ahead and break these things down, chop it up about the release, and get into these things, man. All right, now again, man, shouts out to Foot Locker. This go around, I said, man, I'm not taking the L on these Kobe's. I put in 90 head starts. I got like 400-some thousand points on FLX, and I used 90 of them things to make sure I secured this pair. It was giving me some little minor glitching errors yesterday. I was trying to confirm it, but it was not as bad as the flu games was, what, a couple of months ago. It was real smooth. After a couple little hiccups and error messages, I was able to secure these things. You guys see the box all over, kind of, you know, snake skin, mamba theme box with, of course, Kobe's signature up top, his logo on the side, Nike Air, and I got these things in the size 9.5. And these right here is definitely gonna be one of the ones that's getting rocked in the gym. I don't play ball no more. I'm officially retired, and I even had a thought back. I said, man, I should go ahead and hoop in these things. I said, you know what? I'm done playing ball, man. But you guys already know, Kobe 8 Pro multicolor, and multi size 9.5. Let's go ahead and get into them full, you know what I'm saying, first looks with you guys. And bro, just like the pair that I released back in the day, they are still looking crazy, man. These Kobe's right here, I'm telling you, bro, are probably one of the best what the theme sneakers we've gotten in a probably the best all time. You got the you know, these Kobe's, you got the what the 5s, you got a whole bunch of what this, man, but I think that these right here might be the best what the theme. This is the one I feel like, you know, capitalize on all the what this, and just look at all these iconic, you know what I'm saying, Kobe colorways all matched up into one sneaker. This is definitely super cold for on court, you know what I'm saying? For my people that don't play ball no more, that's retired like myself, you know what I'm saying? You know, your knees messed up, your back messed up, you ain't trying to go out there and try, you know, tear a ligament or nothing like that. These are going to be specifically for, you know what I'm saying, the gym. You can still get some, you know, good weightlifting in these guys and stuff like that. But in terms of hooping, you ain't, hey, if your knees ain't there, bro, don't go out there trying to, you know, pull back and, you know, throw back into when you was 18 years old getting buckets. It ain't like that no more. So again, like I said, there was like 32,000 pairs I released on Nike sneakers app this morning. I was gonna put all my eggs in one basket with trying to get on sneakers, but I say, you know what? Let me use them head starts on FLX, and I think I should be able to secure a pair on Foot Locker, on Champs. There's only one spot I got on my area, and I said, let me go ahead and make sure I put in enough head starts for these guys. So again, I put in 90 head starts. I'm not too sure about the total stock, but the resale is relatively low right now. It's really, really low. But again, man, people weren't lucky to secure a pair, and the prices did go up a little bit on the resale vibe, but I would definitely wait a little bit longer. I think that, you know, over the last couple of weeks or last couple of months, I would say some of these shoes that we have been getting, the resale was super high before the drop, and like a week or two after, when pairs started getting disseminated, when Nike started shipping out their pairs, their price drops dramatically. Just like the brick by bricks, just like the U and the LA Jordan 1s. I told y'all, man, hold your ducats, wait a little bit, and you should be able to get a pair for a relatively good price. And the same thing goes for the Air Jordan 4 SB Navy Blues. Now, I'm telling you guys right now, bruh, it might seem like everything is hyped up. It's gonna be super hard to get, but there are still pairs out. Nobody's prioritizing sneakers right now. So that's a huge, plus for us consumers that want the sneakers. Like the SB4s is going for like 350, 320 in most sizes, and they haven't even released yet. We still waiting on the release date. They should be releasing sometime this month. So just hold y'all ducats, especially for these, what the Kobe's, they might drop a little bit more. They might drop a little bit more, but just wait for everybody to get their pairs some sneakers. Wait for everybody to get their pairs from, these different mom and pop shops and see what the prices are hitting for. But I definitely think that the price will drop a little bit more on these. And then like after next year, like at the end of this year, next year, again, we probably won't see this shoe for a very, very long time, if we even see it at all anymore. It just might not happen. We've seen the different disputes with, the Kobe family and Nike, how things weren't, matching up and stuff like that. So we could see or come to seeing an ending of all Kobe sneakers. You just never know. I'm just throwing that idea out there because we were in that little gray area where, they said we won't get no Kobe's. The Kobe family wasn't with it at all. And then now we started getting a lot of Kobe's. So we got these for the day that he retired, and the NBA dropping 60 points. And that's what my main thing. I was like, bro, why they drop it on a Sunday? But I had to think back, and I remembered, But definitely wait to pay resale on these guys right here. Trust me on that. But these things are super cool. I want to throw them on feet right now. I just ain't got nowhere to go. Definitely rocking around the crib and stuff like that. But if I had to choose, the better colorway of the two, I definitely like the left sneaker a little bit better. If I had to choose one of the two, this one right here kind of give me some Weatherman vibes, like the KDs. But nonetheless, bro, super sick. Cannot believe I had these in the collection. I remember back in the day when these things dropped, they were impossible to get. Like, they were impossible, especially for me where I come from. You weren't even touching them. You weren't even seeing them in person. That's how hard they were to, obtain, you feel me? But now we in 2025. We got a little limited drop, with the Kobe Weathers, and I had to capitalize. Like if I took an L, I would have maybe paid resale, but not yet. I would have waited a little couple days and then pulled the trigger. And a couple other Kobe's that I really do want. I want the Grinches and I want the reverse Grinches. Those two definitely some staple Kobe sneakers, along with these the girl dads that they grew on to me. There's a couple other Kobe's that I can think of that, me growing up always wanting. And I end up taking the L that I do want to add to the collection. So there are technically some grills, you feel me? But again, man, I can't believe I got this far without asking y'all if you were able to secure a pair of the Kobe Weathers. Were they, one of the ones you had to pay resale on? Are you gonna pay resale now? Are you gonna listen to your boy Adventures and wait a couple of more days? I'll wait at least 2 weeks to see what the price is hitting for. Them tariffs is kicking in. Prices is about to start hiking up. We can start possibly seeing retail sneakers or Jordan retail prices like $210, $220, $230. They might just keep increasing. We never know. But again, let me know if you were able to secure a pair of the Kobe guys. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. I just kind of rambled a little bit. I ain't been up on YouTube for about a little over a week, So just chopping it up. Still here, still alive, still blessed, you feel me? But again, as always, greatly appreciate for y'all to tap in. Come see what your boy is talking about, man. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Sub up to the channel if you're new. Run them likes up. And all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.